Hi, this is Russell Games, and I just wanted to show you a little overview of the Corners of the Earth Dawn Edition. It's just a little slight remake of the original. Besides the artwork, there's been a couple editions so that you don't need paper and pencil to play this one, as well as one extra pawn to help you track which habitat has had a majority. Unlike the original, these aren't wood, but they can stack on top of each other, which is nice when people are in the same space. The rulebook's smaller because, as you saw, it's a card-sized deck, only a little thicker. But the rulebook is still easy to read. The new addition to this that replaces the having to write your score total on each of the 4 rounds is what are these called score pockets. So if this is the first player card, if you have this pocket, you might want to have this part of the score section as your own, just to remind yourself. And I mentioned before about the majority marker. Whichever of the 4 habitats is majority in the play area of the 4 corners, you just want to kind of keep this above the score track while people are moving around it. So how this works is each player gets 4 cards, one with each of the habitat symbols on them, and they're just used to keep score. So if at the end of the game you have 52 points, you get 52 points. At the beginning of the game, of course, you have 0, you have 0 points. This is just like a cover, so you're not seeing a bunch of the other numbers that are upside down. But you can make basically almost up to 70 or 80 easily with these 4 cards. And finally, the backs are much like the original version, just the font's a little bit different. If you want to try to make some kind of version where you mix them both together, that would probably work. But as you can see, it's more of a minimal art. Instead of having the little characters curled up in a ball as the pips are just simple yellow pips, the art is colorful, but you can tell easily which is the water and the forest, the cave, and the desert. And this basically came to be because people saw my original marker version of this and really liked the simplicity and colorful look of it, and I decided to release this version of it because of a lot of encouragement on Instagram. So that's all I wanted to share today. Thank you.